YouTubelicious, eat fresh. Invisible sub, invisible sub. Seriously though, guys, Subway is making these changes so as not to offend Muslims. Don't you mean Muslims? No, Muslims are not pronouncing properly. Anyways, my point is, I'm reading this story, and yeah, in the UK, 1,500 Subway restaurants have announced they will remove ham and bacon from almost 200 restaurants, and they will prepare all the meat according to Halal Islamic rulings. Alright? The meat is going to be processed as defined by the Quran. Now for you dipshits who don't know what the Quran is our holiest of books. Fuck with the Quran, you're a fucking with me. Albinder Patel. Seriously though, yeah, halal my method of speaking, stupid. The halal method of killing animals, according to animal rights activists, is cruel. Traditionally, their throats are cut while they're fully conscious. Anyways, I'm not going to a halal restaurant or, you know, a Muslim food restaurant with a high Muslim population and insisting that you put bacon and ham on your freaking menu. Just when? Oh, so annoying. I'll let you in on a secret, guys. If you don't like pork and you don't like bacon, just throwing this out there, eat somewhere else. No one's putting a gun to your head. Can you describe the invisible weapon? Well, it is about an inch long with a barrel, look like a thumb. And he said, "You shall eat this non-halal." It's getting so stupid. Okay, it's the way it is. You don't like it? Open up a sub shop that doesn't sell ham or bacon. Jesus, come on. When you came here to that country, you know, read the brochure. There's gonna be ham and bacon in Subway. I'm sorry. Deal with it. I'm not gonna go where you live and change your shit around. Oh, so freaking annoying. No one's okay. We'll make sure it's in a separate. The ham and bacon is in a separate quarantined bin, and we'll wear a hat. You can wear a hazmat suit while you're eating it. It's difficult to eat this. He's saying that it's a good ham and bacon Subway sandwich. He's eating it with a hazmat suit as to not offend the Muslims. Oh, buddy, that shit somewhere else. You want holy fuck. Get the hell out of me. Get the hell out of me. Read the script, Albee. Just read the script. There it is. Get your flipping ham out of my face. You. So flustered. Flustered. Seriously, no. It's getting annoying, okay? But yeah, these comments here on this new Subway, this story, are funny. There's anyone in America that changes things for Muslims will never get business from me or my family. You tell them. Dun, 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 dun. I don't eat at Subway anymore. Oh, here we go. I knew this was coming. Towel heads need to learn English. Plain and simple, Hosean. Okay, seriously, towel heads. Where in hell? People still use that? Bunch of damn towel heads. Maybe I should have worn like a towel, man, this vlog. You know. Stir up some controversy. Ooh, controversy's ready. Better eat that with the hazmat suit as to not offend anybody. Seriously, it's just food, okay? No one's forced me to eat it. Don't be annoying. This is actually news. Yeah, I saw this. This is so stupid that a lot of people are calling this a hoax. A hoax. Like a made up, a pretend story. Don't worry, boys and girls. It's just pretend. We can still sell the ham and bacon at our Subway restaurants. Just put on these gloves. You have to eat in a different section so you don't offend anybody. And upload.